Here it asking you to set up your username and password. So simply which one you want, enter here without any gaps. So here I am entered a space, so no need to enter space between the words. So I am refilling this section. Simply set up users and password, selected and continue. Here I am giving another name simply and clicking on continue. Here it asks to set up a password, so make sure your password is secure. It all asks every time you while running the Linux OS, so make it simple and tough. After continuing, it asks you to configure the disk. It asks you to configure the clock, so simply click here continue, because we all are East Indies, no need to change this. So select here India and click on continue. So here asking you to select the type of partial index, simply click on continue. Here also simply click on continue, no need to make any changes in this. So if you are a new user, so simply click on continue here also. So once recheck all the details what you have entered here and click on continue. Here tap on S and continue. So your partial index going to be ready. So it takes some time, no need to worry, be patient. So it's going to be done. Here to install your software in Kali Linux, those are all pre-selected, so no need to change anything in this. Simply click on continue. So here your software for Kali Linux was installing. So here to install grub bootloader, simply click on yes and tap on continue. Here select this option and continue. The grub bootloader was installing. So if you have any small doubts also while installing this Kali Linux app, so you can simply mention your problem in the comment section. I will definitely reply you. So here installing going to be completed. So here you see the interface of Kali Linux which you have installed. So here set on open normal terminal. Terminal was open, so simply you can update firstly Kali Linux. So use this command sudo apt update. He asks you for a password. Give your password and enter. Here it was updated. You have to upgrade also. So here you can use this command at a time for update and upgrade.